What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about plants that do really well in partial or full shade areas. Now before getting into it, I think we should define what partial and full shade really mean. Now full shade is anywhere less than 4 hours of full sun a day, and partial shade is between anywhere from 4 to 6 hours of full sun a day. Anything more than that is considered full sun. Before getting into it, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. So the first plant that I want to talk about today is the rhododendron. Now I have a bunch of these at the farm, and they're great for partial shade areas. Depending on which one you want to get, which variety you want to get, they can either be a little bit more compact and do really well for privacy, or they can be a little bit more spread out. And I know all year round they have these lush big green leaves, but during the summertime they sprout these beautiful giant ocular flowers. Ocular? Is that the right word? They also have an extremely long lifespan. I think the oldest one is 130 something years old, so more than our lifetime. Now, if you do want to take care of this plant properly, I know that you should be using the 10-10-6 fertilizer, and depending on which rhododendron you end up getting, it can probably grow around 2 feet per year. Now, the second shade plant that I want to talk about today is the Hosta. Now, there's some Hostas behind me, and they're perennials, so they come back every single year bigger and better. They love the shade. They grow extremely fast, like even a half an inch a day until they grow the full size. They're pretty easy to take care of. You want to keep the soil kind of moist, but not soaked. And they prefer a slow release fertilizer. Now, some benefits are they are drought resistant, and they do kind of fit anywhere. They're perfect for your landscape or garden, just to fill up some empty spaces along with the shade. So the last plant we're going to be talking about in this video is the fern. Now, you've seen these everywhere. They're very popular. I'm sure you've seen them in your local coffee shop or whatever. And they're relatively easy to take care of. All you need to make sure is to mist them and really keep the soil a little bit moist. Now, they're perennials, so they grow back every single year, and they also love the partial shade. They need a little bit of sun, and they also easily propagate, which is really fun for anyone who's interested in that. I'll make a separate video about propagation in the future. They do prefer a more balanced fertilizer, something like 20-10-20. However, they do really require low maintenance, so you don't even need that. Just make sure to mist them occasionally, and really that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Also, feel free to comment down below on something else you'd want to learn about. And if you have any other tips or tricks about planting or growing these sort of trees or plants, thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. I probably shouldn't be using this water bottle in this video because plastic is bad for the environment, but I only drink bottled water right now because I'm at my girlfriend's house in Pennsylvania, and I don't trust natural water because I'm anxious.